In this video, we are going to see how we can log into a Gmail account on an iPhone. So if you have got your iPhone recently, or maybe you have resetted all the settings and now you're unsure about how you can add your Gmail account, here's what you need to do. First of all, just swipe off the mail application and head over to the settings. And once you head over to the settings, just scroll down and find the option of mail. So if you see the mail on the top, that's good. Otherwise, you head over to all apps from here down at the bottom. And from here, you can scroll down until you see this mail option. Click on that. From here, we will see at the top, add account. As you can see here, right at the top in the mail section, here it is written add or remove accounts, manage series, search, and customize how your mail appears and works. Click on add account down at the bottom. You just enter your email address. I'll mention it mine. And once I've mentioned that, click on next. And from here, it says that to enter the password for account, you need to open up in the browser. So we click on open browser. And there you will see a screen to log in directly into the browser. Click on next. I'll just enter my password. And now I'll click next. So wherever your two-step verification is set, it will send you a notification there that are you trying to log in into a specific location from a specific location. You just continue with that. Click continue. You select that all options here. Click on continue. And whatever options you want to select, you can select it here. I want to keep all the options. So click on save. And now my account is successfully added. Once I click on mail, click on continue, click allow, and there we have it. Now we have successfully logged into our inbox, and that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.